All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Introduction to In-Memory Data Grids. And our guest speaker today are Pratik Nelikunja, he is the Senior Member Technical Staff, and Sharath Reddy, he is the Architect with Nest Technologies. Pratik Nelikunja works as a Senior Member of Technical Staff at Next Technologies and is a Senior Developer involved in design and development with cutting-edge tools and technologies in the Java and Java EE space with agile software development. He has been responsible for execution of projects involving work in challenging requirements and versatile technologies such as Apache Wicket, Struts, Spring, Hibernate, REST, Maven, and SQL. His passion includes listening to retro English music. Sharath Reddy works for Nest Technologies as an architect with over 11 years in the industry. He had an opportunity to work on diverse frameworks built on top of Java and GEE. He has been involved in design and development of various projects involving technologies such as Struts, Spring, Wicket, Velocity, and also has a good amount exposure to QoS aspects such as performance, availability, and scalability. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speakers. Over to you, Sharath and Pratik. Sharath, can you hear us? I think the speakers are not able to hear me. Let me just check what the problem might be. Sharath, Pratik, you're not audible. Can you please check your audio settings? Sharath, would you like to redial in? Disconnect the call and can you redial in? Sharath, can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you, Sharath. Pratik, are you also there?
Yes, I'm here.
All right, so I would request you to carry on the session. Your voice is
Okay,
loud and
sure.
clear.
Yeah. So, hi all. Welcome to the webinar on an introduction to in-memory data grids. as introduced already, I am Pratik, and I would be presenting this session along with Sharath Reddy. So let's quickly run through the agenda for the session. So firstly, I will briefly touch upon what an IMDG is. Then on, I will look at what the pros and cons about being in memory are, and why IMDG. So using the pros and the cons, so what are the capabilities that brings to the table and how we could overcome them with an IMDG solution. After that, I would go ahead and list some of the major Java IMDG products available in the market, which will help me explain to you the key architectural concepts behind IMDG. Followed by that, we'll have a quick demo by Sharath and a comparison with caches as well as NoSQL. Last but not the least, we'll open up the session for Q&A. So what is an IMDG?